Online classes, so boring, tiring, it is so exhausting. I am not interested at all in the online classes. Really. In the present time, I know you people must be feeling like same as I am feeling. If yes, so to make your online classes interesting and enthusiastic, you are going to follow the following power tips which is going to make you the fan of online classes. Yes, so let's begin. Power tip number 1, your sitting posture. So it matters a lot. How are you sitting during your online class? If you are sitting like this, lying on the chair or lying on the bed, so much boring online classes, your facial expressions, these matters a lot. So whenever you are sitting in an online class, please sit straight and be ready from your mind and from your heart for the online class. This is going to help you a lot. Second tip, be ready with all the required materials like your stationery, your notes, your previous class notes and everything. If during online classes you are sitting and suddenly your teacher is saying, what did we learn yesterday? If you don't remember because you do not have your previous notes, it is going to hamper your performance. So please be ready with everything, especially your notebook, your pen and all the things. Third one is sit in a peaceful area. So do not sit in a noisy area where so much of background noise is coming, like somebody is hampering, your family people are speaking. No, make a proper room for yourself where you can study alone without any distractions. Select a peaceful area for you. Tip number 4, be on time. That means never ever get late for any of your online classes. First thing, by this you are going to become punctual. You are going to learn the skill of punctuality. Another thing, you don't have to miss anything during online class. For example, you are late. Discussion is going on and you joined late. People are discussing and you are not understanding what is going on in the class just because you joined late. So please always be on time. Join 5 minutes or 10 minutes before the class timing. Okay. Next tip is be visible. That means always keep your camera on. Never ever keep your camera off, because if you are visible, your teacher will also be interested and you will also be interested in the online class. If the screen is totally black, nobody is going to be interested in the class. The class will automatically become boring. So always be visible whenever you are going to take any online class. Because behind the camera, what are you doing? Nobody knows. Maybe behind the camera you are sitting, somebody is calling you, or you are using your mobile. Anything can happen. So if you are taking an online class, always be visible. Put your full concentration on the class. Do not distract and do not use mobile during your online classes. Next one is to make offline notes. Yes, if the classes are online, why not to make notes online? Simply taking a screenshot or taking the PPT from the teacher is not going to help you at all. Always make proper notes in your notebook with your pen or pencil. Highlight the important points, because if you do such a thing, you are going to remember everything for a long time. It will be there in your mind for a long term. But screenshots and all, you have taken screenshot, you are not going to revise it. I know that. So always make offline notes for your online classes. Next power tip is to be regular. Yes, so do not miss any of your classes, because all the classes are interrelated to each other. Your previous class must be interrelated to your today's class, and your today's class is going to be related to your tomorrow's class. So all the lessons are going to be interrelated. So do not get absent in any of the classes. And if due to any reason you need to get absent, you have a very important work, or you are suffering from some problem, so in that case it is your responsibility to talk to your peers and always get the notes ready, because It is the lesson which you have missed. It is going to help you for the next class. So if you are missing also classes, please talk to your peers and get ready for the class. Last but not the least, consolidate your learnings. So once your classes are over, finally my classes are over, now I am going to sleep. So do not do this thing at all, okay? Because after your online class, you should always consolidate your learnings. You should try to revise. So first of all, have a glass of water, drink it, and after that, take only 10 minutes, not more than that. Maximum you can take 15 minutes. Please revise everything, whatever you have learned. Highlight everything, and then after that, you can go for playing and all. After the class, do not directly sleep. So, did you like that power tip which I have given to you all? If yes, that's fantastic. So, please like my video, hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends. So, if you follow all the power tips, you are going to become the fan of online class. Believe me. So, start following and start learning. Safe, and let's meet in the next video. Thank you everybody for watching my video. Take care. Bye-bye.